हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार, जय हिंद। फ्रेंड्स, मैं दीपक आज एक न्यू टॉपिक एंड न्यू डे के साथ आपको कुछ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। फ्रेंड्स, स्किल्स एंड नॉलेज दैट शुड बी अपग्रेडेड इन एवरी moment of your life, because if your axe is not sharpened, then nothing will give you the productivity and it will gradually decrease day by day. Friends, as I want to give an example as it is related to this. एक बंदा था, एक कंपनी में जॉब करता था और उसका बॉस उसे जो टास्क देता था वो परफेक्टली कंप्लीट करता था. टारगेट वाज गिवन for 100 pieces to sell, then he did it in the time span what he was given for the sale, but he completed the thing in between the time span or before that, because he was that productivity ability to give that result. तो ऐसे चलता था. तो gradually that was decreased. 100 products to be sold means he was again completed it in a small time span. At the in second year, when he was given even more target, the productivity was also to the alignment to the same. नेक्स्ट टाइम धीरे धीरे उसका ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज होता गया प्रोडक्टिविटी. तो वो खुद जब रियलाइजेशन किया कि क्यों हो रहा है, जो कि मैं सेल कर पाता था, जो टारगेट मुझे मिलता था वो मैं ठीक टाइम में ही कंप्लीट कर देता था, तो धीरे धीरे मेरा प्रोडक्टिविटी ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ द सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट. He doesn't depend on that. He thought that it will happen and he didn't invest in himself, and it was the skill for which he was not totally dependent, and धीरे धीरे उसका सेल डिक्रीज होता गया, उसका प्रोडक्टिविटी डिक्रीज होता गया. मीन्स इफ यू डोंट अपग्रेड योर स्किल नॉलेज in the span of life, then you will be outdated. For example, you can see the mobile accessories. पहले VGA कैमरा आता था, धीरे धीरे कैमरे की जो पिक्सल्स बढ़ता गया, उसके बाद मेगा पिक्सल आया, धीरे धीरे उसका द विजुअलिटी और ऑफ दैट मोबाइल accessories is been greater and greater day by day. Because if you are not updating yourself, not upgrading yourself day by day, then you will be outdated in this society everywhere. तो मैं यही कहना चाहता था कि always sharpen your axe. If your skill will be sharpened, your knowledge will be developed day by day, then it will be very easier to you to sustain in the society, to sustain in the job, to sustain or give the something different to the society, and you will be appraised, you will be admired by the people, and you can get the appreciation from people, and you will not be outdated from the society. Thank you, friends.